Hey Linux explorers, welcome back to Fix My Linux, your go-to channel for all things Linux. Today I'll guide you through 3 easy ways to install Visual Studio Code on Ubuntu. Let's jump right in. First method, manual installation using the eped package manager. Open your terminal. Copy and paste these commands one by one, then press enter after each. Watch as VSCode installs smoothly via the terminal. Simple and efficient. Second method, using the .deb file. Open your browser and visit code.visualstudio.com/download. When given the option, select the .deb file extension for Linux. Once the download finishes, open your terminal and navigate to your Downloads folder by typing cd:/downloads. Make the .deb file executable by typing sudo chmod 775 code, press tab to autocomplete and then enter. Now, install it using the command sudo apt install./code. Again, use tab to autocomplete the file name, then press enter. Type your password when prompted. Remember, it won't be visible for security reasons. If you encounter an apt ownership error, run these commands to fix it. Move the code file from downloads to your home directory with sudo mvcode ~till finally. Navigate to your home directory using cd tilde and install again with sudo apt install /code *. Once everything is done, VS Code will be available from your Ubuntu app menu. Third method, using the Snap Package Manager. Open your terminal. Type the command sudo snap install -- classic code. Let the Snap Package Manager handle the installation process. Once finished, you can open VS Code by typing code in the terminal. And that's it. 3 simple ways to install Visual Studio Code on Ubuntu. Having trouble? Let me know in the comments and I'll help you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more Linux tips and fixes. See you in the next video, Linux Explorers. This is Fix My Linux, helping you fix, learn and explore Linux.